Think your Toyota can barely make it to 200,000 miles? You're missing something crucial, something Japanese drivers have known for decades. While American owners celebrate when they reach 250,000 miles, Toyota drivers in Japan routinely push their vehicles past 1 million miles without ever needing a major engine or transmission rebuild. The difference isn't luck, it's not even better manufacturing. It's a completely different approach to maintenance, one that most Western drivers have never heard of. Here's what's really happening. Japanese Toyota owners follow maintenance practices that go far beyond anything you'll find in an American owner's manual. These aren't just different oil change intervals or fancy fluids. We're talking about hidden diagnostic modes built into your dashboard, secret efficiency settings that can boost your fuel economy by 20%, and maintenance routines that can literally double the lifespan of your car's most critical components. The crazy part is, Toyota has included these features for years. They just rarely advertise them outside of Japan. If you're serious about getting maximum life out of your Toyota, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you're part of any Toyota Facebook groups or forums, share this video there too. It helps other owners discover features and techniques that Toyota never tells you about. Drop a comment below with your Toyota's year, model, and current mileage. I see every comment, and I'm always curious how many high-mileage Toyotas are still out there running strong. Secret 1. The hidden diagnostic mode. Toyota never told you about. Your Toyota has a built-in diagnostic system that most owners never discover. You don't need a scan tool, it's already in your car, waiting for you to activate it. Japanese technicians use this feature to find problems months before they become expensive repairs. Here's how you access it on most Toyota models made after the mid-1990s. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Find the trip meter reset button on the dash and press it while starting the engine. Keep holding the button for about 5 seconds after the engine fires up. Your dashboard will start flashing in a specific pattern, and those lights aren't random. A slow, steady blink means everything's fine. Rapid flashes or sequences of lights can reveal issues with your transmission, timing, or cooling system before you ever see a warning light. Japanese Toyota owners use this built-in system to save thousands in repairs, and most American mechanics don't even know it exists. Secret 2. Unlocking Toyota's secret eco-efficiency mode. Many Toyotas, especially from 2010 onward, have a hidden ultra-efficient driving mode that was originally developed for Japan's strict fuel regulations. Toyota quietly included it in some overseas models without ever mentioning it. To activate it, drive at steady highway speeds, press and hold the cruise control set button, and push the windshield wiper stalk down at the same time. Hold both for about 3 seconds. If your Toyota supports it, you'll see a small letter E appear on the instrument cluster. That stands for Eco-Efficiency Mode. Once it's active, your car adjusts throttle response, ignition timing, and fuel injection to maximize economy over power. Drivers who've discovered this feature have reported 15 to 20% better highway fuel economy. If you currently get 30 miles per gallon, you could easily see 36 or more. Over a year, that can save hundreds of dollars in fuel, and more importantly, it keeps your engine cooler and under less stress. This smoother, more efficient operation is one of the secrets behind those million-mile Toyotas still running strong in Japan. Secret 3. The Japanese oil change method that doubles engine life. Forget the old argument about 3,000 versus 10,000-mile oil changes. Japanese Toyota owners follow a smarter method. They change oil based on how the car is driven, not just how far. If most of your driving happens on highways at steady speeds, oil lasts longer because the engine stays at ideal temperature. In that case, they go about 6,000 miles between oil changes. But if most of your trips are short, stop and go, or involve frequent cold starts, they shorten it to around 4,000 miles. Those conditions are much harder on oil because it never stays hot long enough to burn off moisture or fuel contamination. Cold starts are especially tough since thicker oil takes time to circulate, and that's when most wear occurs. Japanese drivers also test their oil manually each month. They put a drop of oil from the dipstick on a white paper towel. Fresh oil spreads out evenly in a light amber color. Dirty oil stays dark and clumped, sometimes with visible metallic particles. When they see that, it's time for a change, regardless of mileage. This simple habit keeps Japanese Toyota engines cleaner and running longer than most people think possible. Secret 4. The cold start trick that saves your battery and starter. Cold weather starting is one of the biggest battery killers in the world, but Japanese Toyota owners have a technique that can add years to both your battery and starter. Before starting the car, they turn on the headlights for 10 seconds, then turn them off. It might sound strange, but it works. Drawing a small current wakes up a cold battery and improves its chemical reaction, allowing it to deliver stronger current for starting. After that, they make sure the brake pedal is pressed for automatics or the clutch pedal for manuals. When starting, they give it a strong, solid crank, but only for a few seconds. If it doesn't start, they stop, wait 15 seconds, and try again. That pause gives the starter motor a moment to cool down. Constant cranking overheats it and drains the battery. This patient, precise method of starting in cold weather can easily double the lifespan of those components. Secret 5. The cooling system routine that prevents engine failure. This is the most critical maintenance secret of all, the one that separates million-mile Toyotas from those that fail early. Nearly half of all catastrophic engine failures come from cooling system neglect. Your engine produces over 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit inside the combustion chamber. Even a small cooling issue can start a chain reaction that destroys the motor. Japanese Toyota owners treat the cooling system like the heart of the car. Every month, they check coolant levels, color, and smell. Fresh coolant should be clear with a pink or green tint, depending on the model. If it looks brown, cloudy, or rusty, corrosion has already started. A sweet maple syrup smell means there's a leak somewhere. Every 6 months, they inspect every radiator hose for cracks, bulges, or soft spots, replacing anything that feels different from when it was new. They also pay attention to the radiator cap because it maintains system pressure and determines the boiling point of the coolant. A worn-out seal or weak spring can cause overheating even if everything else is fine. They don't stop there. Japanese owners regularly clean their radiator fins using compressed air or a soft brush. Dirt, leaves, and road debris can reduce cooling efficiency dramatically. And while American manuals say to replace coolant every 100,000 miles, Japanese owners flush and replace it every 30,000. It may sound excessive, but coolant becomes acidic as it ages and starts eating away at gaskets and metal components. By refreshing it more often, they prevent internal corrosion and overheating, the silent killers of Toyotas everywhere. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. Toyota engineered these cars to last nearly forever, but only if you know how to maintain them properly. Japanese drivers do. Now, so do you. Let me share another cooling system secret that prevents one of the most expensive Toyota repairs. Air pockets trapped in your cooling system can cause localized overheating that damages cylinder heads, even when your temperature gauge reads perfectly normal. Japanese technicians use a precise bleeding procedure after any cooling work to make sure every last bit of air is removed. They run the engine with the radiator cap off while the car sits on a slight incline, front end higher than the rear. As the engine warms up, trapped air bubbles rise to the highest point and escape through the radiator opening. During this process, they slowly add coolant to maintain the proper level. It can take 30 minutes or more, but it eliminates hidden hotspots that can warp aluminum cylinder heads and destroy an otherwise perfect engine. Secret 6. The transmission habits that add 200,000 miles of life. Let's talk about something that can double your transmission's lifespan. Most Toyota transmissions are designed to last around 200,000 miles with proper care. Yet in Japan, it's common to see the same transmissions run 400,000 miles or more. The secret isn't luck, it's methodical maintenance and smarter driving habits. Japanese drivers don't just change their transmission fluid. They monitor how their transmissions behave and drive in ways that reduce heat, which is the true killer of automatic transmissions. They know that fluid temperature determines everything. When transmission fluid gets too hot, it loses viscosity, breaks down, and stops protecting internal gears and clutches. During summer or while towing, Japanese Toyota owners actively manage heat. They avoid long stretches of stop-and-go traffic when possible. If they're stuck at a red light, they shift to neutral to relieve stress on the transmission. On long highway drives, they take short breaks every hour or two to let the transmission cool down. These small habits prevent the kind of heat buildup that silently kills transmissions over time. Here's a technique that can fix rough shifting without a single wrench. If your Toyota has started jerking or hesitating when changing gears, try this reset procedure. Find an open parking lot and bring the car to a full stop. Keep your foot on the brake and shift through every gear. Park, reverse, neutral, drive, holding each position for about 5 seconds. Do this entire sequence 4 times. This process resets the adaptive learning system inside your transmission computer. Toyota transmissions learn from your driving style and adjust shift timing over time. But when those learned settings drift too far, shifts can feel rough or delayed. This simple procedure gives the transmission a clean slate, allowing it to relearn ideal shift points automatically. Many owners have restored smooth shifting using nothing more than this technique, something dealers often charge hundreds to fix. Secret 7. The driving techniques that protect your gearbox. Japanese drivers also protect their transmissions by avoiding common bad habits. They never put the car in drive or reverse until the engine is fully started and the idle has stabilized. Cold transmission fluid is thick and doesn't flow well, so forcing early gear engagement increases wear. Instead, they let the car warm up briefly, then drive gently until the transmission reaches normal temperature. They avoid sudden acceleration from stops, which strains clutch packs and internal bands. When parking on hills, they always engage the parking brake before shifting into park. That simple action prevents the entire weight of the car from resting on the transmission's parking pawl, a small metal piece that can wear or snap under stress. It's a tiny habit that prevents big repair bills later. The results speak for themselves. While many American Toyota owners start seeing transmission issues at around 150,000 miles, Japanese owners often exceed 300,000 or even 400,000 miles on the same gearbox. The difference is awareness and consistency, understanding that a transmission needs gentle treatment and proactive maintenance, not just occasional fluid changes. Secret 8. The electrical system routine that saves your whole car. Now we move to the most overlooked maintenance area, one that destroys more Toyotas than engine or transmission failures combined. It's not mechanical at all, it's electrical. Specifically the battery and charging system. Here's what happens when your electrical system starts to weaken. A tired battery forces your alternator to work harder, which generates extra heat and wears out its internal components faster. That failing alternator then delivers unstable voltage to your vehicle's computers, causing erratic behavior in fuel injection, ignition timing, and even the transmission control system. Suddenly your Toyota feels rough, misfires appear, shifts become inconsistent, and the cause is often traced back to nothing more than a weak battery. Japanese Toyota owners avoid this entire domino effect with a simple monthly check that takes less than 5 minutes. They test their battery voltage using a basic multimeter that costs under $20. A healthy battery should read at least 12.4 volts when the car is off and between 13.8 and 14.4 volts when running. If either reading falls outside that range, they investigate immediately, long before a breakdown ever happens. But they don't stop there. They clean their battery terminals every few months, even when there's no visible corrosion. That white or green buildup you sometimes see isn't harmless residue. It's oxidation that increases electrical resistance. The more resistance, the harder your charging system has to work. Over time, that shortens the lifespan of both your battery and alternator. Cleaning is simple but critical. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive. Mix a paste of baking soda and water, scrub the terminals with a small brush, rinse with clean water, and dry completely. Reconnect the positive cable first, then the negative. This easy maintenance routine keeps electrical connections strong and reliable. Japanese owners also understand how destructive deep discharge cycles can be. Every time a car battery drains completely, it permanently loses capacity. That's why they never let their Toyotas sit for weeks without attention. If a car won't be driven for more than a week, they either disconnect the battery or connect a battery tender, a small device that maintains optimal charge levels automatically. Modern Toyotas have dozens of electronic modules that continue drawing power even when parked, slowly draining the battery. A simple $30 battery tender prevents this and can extend battery life by several years. Electrical neglect might seem small, but it's the hidden root cause behind countless Toyota breakdowns. When your electrical system is healthy, everything else, your engine, transmission, and onboard computers, operates at their best. That's why Japanese Toyota owners see such incredible reliability. They don't wait for failure, they prevent it. Temperature management is another secret Japanese Toyota owners use to maximize battery life. Most people think cold weather is the biggest threat to batteries, but it's actually heat that does the most long-term damage. High temperatures accelerate the chemical reactions inside a battery, breaking down internal components and reducing capacity over time. That's why in Japan, drivers in hot regions often park in the shade whenever possible and even insulate their battery compartments to protect them from excessive heat. Cold weather might make it harder to start your car, but heat quietly shortens a battery's lifespan from the inside out. Secret 9. The tire maintenance mindset behind million-mile Toyotas. Tire maintenance. It sounds simple, but Japanese Toyota owners treat it like an art form, and for good reason. Your tires are connected to every other system in your vehicle. Poor tire care doesn't just affect traction. It creates stress across your suspension, steering, brakes, and even transmission. Uneven tire wear is like your car trying to communicate. When tires wear more on the inside or outside edges, it often means your alignment is off, and that misalignment is already putting extra strain on suspension components. If a single tire is wearing faster than the others, it could point to a dragging brake caliper or a damaged control arm. Every pattern of wear tells a story about what's happening mechanically beneath the surface. Japanese Toyota owners don't wait for those problems to appear. They rotate their tires every 5,000 miles, perfectly timed with their oil change intervals. That rotation ensures even wear across all 4 tires, helping them identify issues before they become expensive repairs. But they don't stop there. They visually inspect every tire for small bulges, cracks, or embedded objects that could lead to sudden blowouts. This consistent attention to detail keeps their vehicles balanced, efficient, and safer to drive. What you've just learned isn't a random list of tips, it's an entire philosophy of ownership. These Japanese Toyota maintenance secrets represent a complete mindset shift that turns ordinary reliability into legendary longevity. Hidden diagnostic modes, cooling system care, transmission-saving habits, precise electrical maintenance, temperature control, and detailed tire care. Each one builds upon the other to form a system that keeps Toyotas running strong for decades. If these secrets have opened your eyes to what your Toyota is truly capable of, smash that subscribe button and share this video with other Toyota owners who deserve to know the truth. With the right care and knowledge, your Toyota isn't just a car, it's a million-mile machine waiting to happen.